What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who know. Back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today, guys. We got a lot to get done today, man. So I'm bringing y'all on for a ride with me. So today we are actually gonna be putting the 24x12s back on the truck here, guys. I'm gonna tell y'all here in a second why. One of these do have a nail in it, and I need to get that taken. Oh, right here does have a nail. I meant to get that taken care of before I freaking did this, but never had time. So I gotta get that nail out later. But the reason we're putting the 24x14s back, 24x12s, excuse me, back on the truck is because if y'all haven't watched my last video or my stories on Instagram, follow me on Instagram if you don't, I scratched the heck out of my wheels, bro. Trying to park into a freaking tight parking spot, end up running up over the curb and scratched my wheels. So I actually found a shop that actually removed my rear block and went to a smaller rear block. Guy hit me up and said, hey, bro, I can fix that for 180. So actually that one's messed up. And since I'm gonna do this, I might as well go ahead and fix the other one. And this one back here as well had a little road rash on it right here. So actually I probably not even worry about this one, but I might just do it. Since I'm doing it anyway, I might just go ahead and get both of them. And that way it's kind of done. So we're taking those off, putting the 24x12s back on, taking off the 24x14s, getting those repaired. And also what we got, guys, if you haven't watched my last video or 2 videos ago, we blew some rear shocks. My Fox rear shocks are leaking oil. I think it's just this side, but the other side is fine. So I reached out to Rough Country and my guy Richard, bro, thank you again. Shout out to Richard, bro, for looking out. Told him I needed some rear shocks and I would actually want to match my Vertex coilovers and basically run Rough Country all around. Got a Rough Country kit, but I have Fox shocks in the rear. So Richard actually sent me out a brand new set of the Rough Country Vertex piggyback shock, guys, with the reservoir. So man, I'm so excited about these, bro. Now finally, I'm gonna be running Rough Country all the way around. So as y'all know, I do have the Rough Country coilovers up here, got the Rough Country kicker bars, and I got the Rough Country tracking bars. And now we'll have the Rough Country rear shocks that I'm super excited about. So yeah, we got all that doing on the truck today. Of course, I gotta load up these tires, which is always a pain. Y'all know me, before I do anything, gotta stretch, bro. Gotta warm up, get my gloves on here. Quick warm up, quick stretch. All right, I think we nice and warm. Oh man, there's a whole bunch of baby spiders on there. Ew. That was all back, Q. I don't like the way that felt. Okay. Whew. As y'all can see today, I'm struggling, bro. I ain't even trying to live. I'm really out here just muscling this junk up today. I'm not gonna cap. Go. Okay. Cool. And that's why I keep telling y'all to get to the gym. We all loaded up. Now we're gonna head over, get these put on. Only I hate my freaking sensors don't work in these for whatever reason. Don't know why. But get these put on. Then I gotta take the 24x14s to another shop. Drop those off today. It'll probably take about 4 days. It is the weekend of the 4th. So it's probably gonna take a little longer so people are gonna be closed. But let's head over to lift the trucks. And of course, they got some trucks out there I'll show y'all. Here we go. We at the lift shop, got the truck dropped off again. The lift shop in McKinney, Texas. A lot of y'all have come up here and said y'all seen my videos and come in here, got service and lift kits from them. Again, holla at Brett, man, he gonna get y'all right. But yeah, we got the truck up here, all dropped off now. We got so many dualies out here, bro. Look at these dualies. I'm getting a dually. I'm getting a dually. I am getting a dually. I promise you, I am getting a dually. I'm getting a dually. Y'all heard me here first. Only thing that won't prevent me from getting a dually is just convenience and how much to drive and all that stuff. But these two right here, bro, these two, this thing is massive, this white one, but this blue one really caught my eye because of the color of it. But yeah, these things are freaking sick, bro. Look at these things. So 9,000 modifications. I don't know how tall it is, but gosh, these things are dope, man. Ooh, look at the color on this one. This color is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color, bro. Really, really like that. I gotta get the front shot of this one. Goodness gracious. Let me go see. 16,000 modification costs. Yeah, this thing is freaking pretty, bro. This color is amazing on this one. But yeah, you want your dually in the truck, man? Come out here. Yo, this is a new Ram. I don't think this was here last time I was here. I think it's nice. On some JTX Force wheels, floated caps. Oh no, they don't spin, but they still nice. These like gotta be like 37s, 38s. Probably 37s, I'm sure. Open countries, 37s, yeah. Thing is freaking huge, bro. These spike lugs are huge, huge. All right, guys, so they got the tire wheels off now. Here are the new rear shocks. 8-stage adjustable shock, man. So with the piggyback reservoir right there, as y'all can see, so I can dial these however I want them, how stiff I want them, how firm I want them. So I'm super excited. It's gonna match the truck perfectly, given that they're red and black with the silver canister. Yeah, got the Rough Country sticker right here. I think this is goes on that, like that, or like that. So yeah, these gonna look good, man. I can't wait to get them on the truck to see the difference of how they ride. These look well made. I'm so excited about these. Again, I got Richard, shout out to you, thank you, bro. Yeah, I'm excited to see how these are gonna come out. And as y'all can see, they got the wheels off as well, off of the 37s. Back on with the 24x12s. I'm excited to get my 12 wides back on, be real with y'all, bro. They just so much easier to drive than my 24x14s on the 37s, but they look amazing. I'm not gonna lie, when this thing on 24x14, just the stance to sit, looks really, really good. All right, guys, so we got the 12 wides back on the truck. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. Some of my 12 wides, I really just like the high, tall profile that the truck have on the 12 wide versus the 14 wides. But we got 24x12s back on the truck here. But here are the freaking piggyback shocks, bro. And man, they look so good, guys. Oh, that looks so much better sitting back there. It just makes the truck look way more custom on the back end now, like way more custom. So I'm probably gonna drop these to there at 4. I'll probably leave them at 4. I might adjust to see how it feels in the back. Of course, we got to drive it and see how it feels. You know, we want to go stiffer or softer. And here's the wheel that got scratched up pretty good. So I'm actually about to drop this off to another shop right now to get this repaired. Look at the other side over here. Again, with the piggyback shock, they got them set at 4. Got some Loctite on there, all that stuff. Man, they look good, bro. What y'all think? Comment below. They look really good. Now I'm rough country all the way around on the 12 wides. So thanks, boss. On the 12s, again, like I said, the 12s, it just gives the truck 2 different looks, honestly. It's just way more practical to drive on a day-to-day basis for me personally. I can go a lot faster, don't really need to. It don't rub near as much or at all. And it's just more comfortable, honestly. I was just kind of feeling the truck out as I was driving right there. Guys, I can tell you, bro, I've been saying this over and over. I love driving with my 12 wides on. It's just a night and day difference. The truck feels so much better, so much smoother. Now, instantly what I can tell from the rear shocks, what it feels like my back end is firmer. It doesn't feel like it's giving as much. And I got a heavier setup on the back. I got the 24x14s on 37s in the back, as opposed to I had the 24x12s and 37s on the way over here. And I can definitely tell that the truck feels firmer in the back, and it feels like it's not squatting as much, which is weird because I know this wheel and tire setup in the bed back there is a lot heavier, but it doesn't feel like it's squatting as much. But I mean, these are brand new shocks, and I can feel the difference for sure. But let me get a little bit more driving here to really see. But hit a bump right here. Bro, the back end is so much better. 10 times better, bro. Oh my God. Right now they're currently set at 4. So, you know, I actually like them at 4, but once I unload the bed, I'm gonna get another feel for them as well, because it is loaded down. And you know, honestly, trucks sometimes ride better with more weight on the back loaded down. Sometimes it just feels better. It feels more plain in the rear end. Dude, they feel so much better. Oh, they feel so much better than the Fox. Now, for y'all probably wondering why didn't I go with the Rough Country Vertex piggyback shocks in the rear initially when I first, they feel so much better, guys. Oh, they feel so much better. But it could be also going to the 12 wides too, you know, like I don't have as much weight. So you got to take that into account where I'm coming from and what I got here now. But a lot of y'all are wondering why didn't I get these in the first place? So when I first, y'all gotta realize I had my truck now for what, 5 years, 6 years? When I first started building this truck, the Vertex piggyback shocks weren't a thing. You know, they just had the N3s, I believe. And so at the time, Fox was a better shock, in my opinion, than the N3. So that's why I went with Fox. And then shortly after that, seriously, shortly after that, Rough Country came out with the Vertex piggyback shock. I was like, dang, I would have got those if I would have known that, but hey, now we're here, now we got them again. Shout out to Richard over at Rough Country. In Rough Country, man, they've been looking out for me lately, and I really, really appreciate it. Now we're about to pull up to the other shop here to get these wheels dropped off for, this is not my turn. Get the wheels dropped off to get them fixed up and corrected.
Mainly all of our shops.
Okay. Today?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the center cap, because you just took off one part.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna give them back to you. So. And the center.
Got you. All right, guys. So we're here at Elite Tire Performance here in McKinney. So actually, he's gonna take the tire off, give me the center cap, and that way when I come back, they're probably mounting and balance for me. He told me on the other one it's not a deep scratch. He like just get some touch-up paint, and you should be able to fix that up right up. While they're waiting, this is my guy, I think his name was Omar, I can't remember his name. He leaves this truck up here just for like advertising purpose, but it's an F-150 2015. It's a 3.5 EcoBoost. Last time I saw him, he did say he had replaced both his turbos on this truck. But guys, these gotta be some 40s, bro. I know, yep, these are 40, 15.5, 24 by 14s. This freaking truck coming down the road, bro, is freaking massive, dude. Like you see it from a mile away. Like look how thick this freaking truck is, bro. Oh my goodness. And so the 50s, 40s he showed me before, look how much trimming and cutting he had to do. Like all that is out, that plastic is out of there. Front crash bars are gone. The rears are trimmed off a little bit. He had to get some cutting up in here as well. He has an aftermarket bumper, so that helps. But yeah, these 40s, bro, the way they stuffed up under here, yeah, these 40s are stuffed up under here. He got the Vertex piggyback shocks in the rear as well. Yeah, this thing is beefy, bro. I didn't think you could fit 40s up under a 6-inch, I believe he said, lift on this thing, but they stuffed up under there. Guys, so I'm on some pretty rough roads right now, as y'all probably can tell. And the shocks do feel better in the back end, for sure. I don't know if just the Fox had gotten old at that point, you know, but these definitely do feel better. Here go another one, kind of go down. It's softer, yes, a lot softer. And they're on 4 right now, so they can even be softer than this. I have my front ones, Vertex coilover, set those to 3. So maybe I go down to 3.
Turn left on County.
So far, I'm impressed with them, bro. I really like them. Definitely tell the comfort is there for sure. Feels so much more comfortable in the back end. When I say comfort, like, I'm going. So, yeah, buddy. But when I say comfortable, like, they're just, they're not as rough and firm as the Fox I had on that word. Again, I went from 24 by 14s to 24 by 12s. These are naturally lighter, so that's probably what I'm feeling as well. But so far, man, I will have to say I'm impressed. They feel good. They feel good. I'm happy with them so far. Anyway, man, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Grab the video up. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.